It's no secret, the COVID-19 pandemic has forced business owners and professionals to think critically about how they work. We're all working with leaner teams, tighter budgets, and limited resources. We need to innovate now, not only if we want to stay in business, but if we want to come out on top after this pandemic. How can we look at this as an opportunity to accelerate our businesses? What tools can we implement today and in the future to optimize day-to-day maintenance activities in this new era? How do you work with a smaller purchasing team, work with a smaller maintenance budget, while ensuring quality standards? We'll walk you through how we've been giving businesses like yours an edge. Here's how we do it.
Our formula is simple. Find you the right products at the best price, provide a team of motor experts to ensure you are getting the best solution for your application, applying perks like price discounts, free shipping, and more, assembling the largest selection of motors, controls, and gear reducers in Canada.
Number one, how do we find you the right motor at the best price?
We've built an online marketplace with over 20,000 motors, controls, gearboxes, and accessories. Search by catalog number for a direct replacement. Looking for a better price? Use the cross-reference search to find motors with equivalent specifications. If the motor you're replacing has been discontinued, find a replacement with the cross-reference search. Manufacturers are constantly releasing newer, more efficient models. View technical specifications for each product. Find warranty information, efficiency ratings, weight, and more. Find data packs, warranty policies, feature sheets, and dimensional drawings of each product. Once you're done, add the motor to your cart and check out. Buying a motor has never been simpler.
Number two, if you're not sure what product you need, don't worry. We've built a team of motor experts to help you find the right motor for the job.
A lot of motors might get the job done, but our goal is to find you the motor that is best suited for your application. By having the right motor, you can save on energy costs, ongoing maintenance costs, and extend the overall life of your motor. Feel confident that our team is making the best recommendations for your application. Our team includes Red Seal motor system technicians, electrical engineers, previous maintenance technicians, and electrical engineering technologists. We're backed by 45 years of experience in the motor industry. We get motors, and we know how vital they are to your business.
Number three, our loyalty reward program provides more savings opportunities. Once signed up, immediately receive our monthly promotions, a free account, and free exchanges.
Earn additional benefits including price discounts, net 30 terms, free ground shipping, additional warranty, and free restocking.
Number four, we have access to the largest motor selection in Canada. We know that motors don't just work 9 to 5. When you need a new motor, you need it right away.
That's why we've given you 24/7 access to our online inventory. Find the motor you need right away and get your team back to work. We put you in the driver's seat with instant pricing and shipping information. No more lead times on motor quotes. Finding you the right products fast is what we do. By leveraging eMotors Direct, you can optimize day-to-day maintenance activities, decrease steps within your supply chain, and feel confident that you're getting the best product for the job. We were founded by two brothers who saw an opportunity to make buying motors easier and better. We're a company founded by Canadians for Canadians. We were tired of overpaying for motors, long lead times, and dealing with unknowledgeable support staff. That's why we're here, to help you find the right motor at the right price, fast. We ship anywhere in Canada. Having 30 warehouses strategically positioned from coast to coast means that we can ship out of the closest warehouse, getting you your motor faster. We serve industries including manufacturing, food production, pulp and paper, oil and gas, mining, aggregate, agriculture, and more. Our team of motor experts have seen it all and are ready to consult with you on your next project. Start shopping right away by visiting emotorsdirect.ca. Have a specific question? Need help troubleshooting? Tired of waiting on your current provider or just want a second opinion? Give our team of experts a call. Thank you for your time. We look forward to hearing from you.